Good morning. We are working today with a unit circle. It has a radius of 1, and you can take a close look at what this unit circle looks like. We have our angles labeled in degrees. We have our angles labeled in radians. Both of those are inside that circle. You see ordered pairs around the outside of the circle. These ordered pairs are used to tell us the exact value for sines, cosines, tangents, all 6 of our trig functions. Down at the bottom of the page, look what I wrote in red. The ordered pair, the x-coordinate is the cosine value. The y-coordinate is the sine value. So what we then want to be able to find out is I could give you any of these angles, ask you what is one of the 6 trig functions of that angle. I have the tangents written in red going around the circle as well. Let's practice some of these. So as we take a look, the first one is cosine of 120 degrees. So look at the unit circle. Go over to 120 degrees. So at 120 degrees, we want cosine. Cosine, again, is the x-coordinate. So the x-coordinate at 120 degrees would be negative 1/2. That would be our answer to that. Let's do tangent of a negative 45 degree angle. This time we have to start at 0, go in a negative direction down 45 degrees. So we end up down here at the angle in the 4th quadrant. We want to know what is tangent. Tangent is written in red. We can see that tangent is negative 1. Okay, let's do a couple in radian measure. Sine of 5 pi over 6. Start at 0, go around to 5 pi over 6. Now look at the ordered pairs. We want sine. Sine is the y-coordinate. So the y-coordinate of that is 1/2. Now when we take a look at cosecant of pi over 3, this is a little different. First of all, start at 0, go up to pi over 3. You got to know, cosecant is reciprocal of which one? Well, you've said cosecant, so that means reciprocal of sine. Sine is our y-coordinate, which is square root of 3 over 2. We want to take square root of 3 over 2 and flip that upside down. When we do that, do you see that we have a radical on the bottom? Never leave a radical on the bottom. Rationalize it. So we have to multiply by radical 3 over 3. That will give us 2 radical 3 over 3. Practice these today. We're going to work on this all week to make sure that you understand how to simplify and find answers off of the unit circle. Let me know if you have problems.